Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn Abacus Teacher's Training Book, page number 2. In question number 1 and 2, beads has drawn and answer has also given. We know that the value of upper bead is 5 and the value of lower bead is 1 each. So here two lower beads are there. Each bead's value is 1. So 1 and 1 is 2. Question number 2. One upper bead is there which value is 5. So answer is 5. Now we are going to start from question number 3. 3 lower beads are there which value is 1 each. So answer is 3. Question number 4. One upper bead and one lower bead is there. Upper bead's value is 5 and lower bead's value is 1. So 5 and 1 is 6. Question number 4. 4 lower beads are there. Each bead's value is 1. So answer is 4. Question number 6. One upper bead and 3 lower bead. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer is 8. Question number 7. One upper bead which value is 5 and 4 lower bead which value is 1 each. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So answer is 9. Here answer has given and we have to draw the beads. For question number 1, answer is 4. So we have to draw 4 lower beads. 1, 2, 3 and 4. For question number 2, answer has given 3. So we have to draw 3 lower beads. 1, 2 and 3. Question number 3, answer is 6. So we will draw one upper bead and one lower bead. It's 5 plus 1 is 6. Here answer has given 8, so we will draw one upper bead which value is 5 and 3 lower bead, it's 6, 7 and 8. Question number 5, answer is 5, so we will draw one upper bead. Question number 6, the answer is 9, so it's 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Here answer is 2, so we will draw 2 lower bead, 1 and 2. In Abacus book, always write with pencil. If you want to buy Abacus tool, big tool for teacher, teacher's training book or student's book, number and link is given in description. If this video is useful and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.